A quick tutorial to show you how to play the easier version of South Australia on the bass. All of it is based around the 3rd fret, and all you're going to be doing is moving your finger from one string to the next, but it's always on the 3rd fret, okay? And it will only be the 1st string, the 2nd and the 3rd. So we start with the 2nd string, and we're going to be plucking this string with our finger down on the 3rd fret twice. And then very quickly we're going to move to the string below, and then straight after that we go back to the original string. So it goes. So the first bar, 3rd string, 2nd string. And then the second bar is basically kind of oscillating between these two. So we've got 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string. So to go through the first line, we've got 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 2nd string. The next line starts off exactly the same as the first one, so we're going to be going. And it's only the final bar that we change, and we use the top string for the first time. So we pluck this one twice again. Then we go to the top string, and then back. So the whole part goes 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, stay there, 3rd, 2nd, stay there, top, 2nd. And if you can play that, I would recommend that you move on to the more difficult version as soon as you can.